Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kesni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan Lum Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Karibhoy district kabadai ke district Hakajala Kabala Shajian, banyo ya kanam, kumkata kanam aspirational district. Na pedang barok ke district Hakajala. Bat yoru ya kekerdan ke Beningkong Hakari India Borokawai Hakaliang ke health and nutrition. Hakakat Southrik mutau nailor arajar arpo kalayo pedang bat ban pelat ba yaki kendai teli kali ambulance bat Southly ki supervisory vehicle. Yaki ni kali ambulance latiet da kepisa balamang da ke niti ayok na kabenta ke aspirational district. Kebalong kejing mentoy ba kejing kerku ke bakrau ki ba ka thamri boy ban ai kejing syakri na kabenta ki bapang basitom haboro ko ke district hakani kesngi la sakhilang ru ya kini ke jelang da ki MLA ke riboy district ba kanthop yu ba Meral Bonds em uba Sostonis Soton uba Jason Saukmi Maulong ba uba George B Lingdo nang ta ki MDC ba kanthop yu ba Balajit Rani ba uba Victor Rani ringkat ke Jiralang ke Deputy Commissioner jong Karibhoy District ke Kong RM Kurba lembat ki officer nakitnat sarkar baper-baper.
Nakan mau hau benai Jun jong senam arjat khakra kasni ke ba His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya Sri Gangga Prasad Iwan hangi kita ngom review meeting hangi hakaba pentip ba Karibhoy District kedikawai naki district Kibala Sajid kong aspirational district ada di Senan. Kita mesti sepakat sandli ke district Kibala Sajid ki aspirational district hari dia berkawai. Bat Karibhoy jumi kali kawai ni kita. Bat hakatu kapor marsen yo snow impat tip ki facilities ki banila banyo da kaba ila la ban penrung ya ke district ke jumi kong aspirational district hari negeri ke jumi. Kat panangnya kisni nilanang iya di sektor berpihak ada koi ke kiat ke pule ke putri social welfare umbang undi itu di department ni dan sibun di facilities kiba niyo tambun banyak kiwe di district dan kiwe di department di long atpar kiwe tenrei dah kaba larigat ini kum ke aspirational district ni kita kini ki extra facilities ke niyo naga central government but nila sakhi yakini ha kabadi but ka development hagini ki sector rofer kadon ka special preference ka banila banyo lomba CSR project lomba gini corporate house rofer but ka district demi klayo ajiman to shibun nakini haki benta rofer health sector layo education layo but kiwi but ni songkemen padang ni sakmat ro girang lapan yo Kajing wan jong ka Jal Jivan Mission jong baru PHE department bat ka special preference nakaliang ka sorkar kami ya ka district ke Jumiru kadang target ke hukum ke PHE department ki hapan achieve bat ka special consideration nang ka funding ke ka tayo ka di kajing ku ya ka district ke Jumi bat kiwi ki department kuju ka health department ke bangia lumlang ada kesini naga mentaban pelajat ba ya kini ki kendai deli ke ambulans bat kitu ki bolero bukan perangkam yang ke health department kan long sisa ke jingkerku na ya ka district ke jing baro ko ban ni skam ba ka health department po ke jing alam jong i DMNHO Dr. Mauri tinla ban menteri kamhok yaki.
As representative of Umroi constituency, I would like to especially thank Madam DC and the health department for the ambulances that are going to be released for Barumbong CHC and Kerdem PHC. Just recently I had been informed that the ambulance there in Barumbong CHC was not up to the mark and had been sent to the garage many times. So this has come at a very opportune moment for us and it is a blessing for the people. So on behalf of the people of Umroi constituency and behalf of the people of the district, I'd like to thank you, Madam, for your leadership and also for Health Department for its continuous efforts. To hear that we have received the award sounds very simple, but then the continuous and daily effort that has been put in to ensure that the data, the reports and also efforts in the field, they come together and put before the Niti Ayog is something that is tremendous. And to stand tall amongst all the 150 districts in this entire country is an achievement in itself. I therefore congratulate the district, and on behalf of the people, would like to urge the district that this milestone that you have reached, maybe there are many more milestones ahead for us and for the people. So may God bless you all, and may this effort bring joys to the families to which these vehicles will serve, and also to the patients who will be availing the facilities of our various health centers across the district.
Namar yaladiru nabangapet hapo umsling hapo CHC kadon ke ambulans pada kalau ke ambulans ko betul namar nafipay ka condition jong ka pin repair lu mapso ti kalau gay ba nakani ka fund niyo na po niti ayo ba ngilala ba ni chief ka target to po district ko bangilong ka special district jing train jong pi baro ka na do EDC ka team jong pi baro ka niyo ikani ka fund kung kata ka reward bangamit ba kani ka reward ba hindi bangin show sokod no tangang niya na mapisuto hi ba kapatay man ta hindi tangang niya district baro ka way ninang ya kun yung pyang jimpang bong ba bangam iya ka khmat baru poster bangamit kani ka jinit tray lang kumong iba meron mo na ong ba sanmut ya mali ba sanmut ya misi at try ningidon kata ka way ka common goal kata pembahagia ke district borok kilian na try na kawit sur nila pa na chief ya kan nuno ko balodar khamachumi bangamit ba hindi ka jini ki ambulance ba can serve any purpose during this pandemic time bangamit jini ki ambulance can serve hadin hubot ang takipay ba ki upang bilistan budira ka mungkit na way chakas ko jaka bangamit ru na kalian juga punta unong mikmat ya lang ki kamon ka diyan spi district administration pi borok way ba masukho ba kum kani ka district ngidam nta na pipay kinangbuan kita ki target mangina dongkap mangina chief baganget ba hindi ba issue huntang layo kita ki blood bank trauma center ni dongkap pa rin balong full fledged na mga sukho hadu nta trauma center ro balong full fledged te kadon po umsig ro kadi yung maternity hospital atu kadon under progress te ni dongkap ba boro kay balong full fledged pakan serve ki pet ba hi di public ni dongkap thambi mai
So kemudian menempau ini kepon, tung unang mikmat, ya kajing prestom, administration leading dari EDC, baru ki ADC, EAC, nangta ke health department, ya ki achievement, nak kemata kumnoban, penpoi ya ki jingdong kam, dan ya paniarap ban reach out. Yaki pajba kibadon hakinaka district kabi kejungi. Riboy district kumalapan pau, kawai niki as personal district, kepala pau abrok kawai ka ri India kejungi. Bad ngasoban pen pau, ia kejing kublai, ia ka niti ayuk, kepala no senyang. Ai sobhai ke district, lingba kiniki ambulances kiba kinlek. Segi PHC, CHC, kibadon hake district, namota ban ferry ikinongpang, ban kit ikinongpang, ban penpoi segi jaka sumar, kumu MLA jangka tenjirang konsensi, ngasukmen na kegopor, agjing siang lamut banbu, additional nakalang jonga lingba ke SRWP yaki ambulance, hada ngasukmen ban penpau kegopor nakalang EDC nakalang ka health department. Ba ilayo man perkhat kepang barai ki ambulans ki bakhampa na kabanta ki PHC ki CHC bagalong ke cingmentoi na kabanta ki pajba ki badon haka konsensi ka jonga bakumjo haka district hi borok kowe kublishibon ye ke jing trelang na bro ki MLA ka jing ai jingmot kalong kabor kabantai na kabanta banwarra ban kintiu ya ke district kejungi habarok kiliang kum kinau mikmat ngiron kam ya ke jinge trailang kumno ngin sandur ya ke konsensi kumno ngin sandur ya ke district kejungi nang ba kipat ba kiba don ha ke district hibarok we kini i bagi nyomat ya ki jingmen toy lingba ki department ki paperoper ki palaban mentok palaban ai chirap ban penpoi ki jingnon kam lane ki no ki developmental works lingba ki departments ki paperoper lingba ki jingtrei jogi officers ki bala ban penpoi ki no ki development ha ki snong ki kindong baro ki badan ha ka district kabe